In this video, we're going to show you everything you can't miss in ITACARÉ, one of the most beautiful and preserved destinations on the coast of Bahia. We'll show you the best beaches, hiking trails, waterfalls, tours, how much each one costs, where to eat, where to stay, how to get around, and everything you need to plan your perfect trip. So let's go. ITACARÉ is located about 70 kilometers from Ilhéus and is accessed via the BA-001 highway. The road is beautiful, passing through the Atlantic forest. The town is surrounded by nature and blends a rustic style with a young, laid-back vibe, full of surfers, hikers, and nature lovers. It's the perfect destination for those who enjoy ecotourism, wild beaches, and a relaxed atmosphere. The main attraction in Itacaré is its beaches. The ones closest to the center are known as the urban beaches. Praia da Concha, with good structure, calm sea, and perfect for families. Praia do Resende, Praia da Tiririca, the surfing hotspot. Praia do Costa, and Praia da Ribeira, accessible by a short trail featuring a small river, a little waterfall, and good facilities. For hiking lovers, one of the most famous trails is the Four Beaches Trail, which goes through Engenhoca, Havazinho, Camboinha, and Itacarezinho. The hike takes about 2 hours, includes stretches through forest, and offers incredible viewpoints. You can do it on your own or hire a guide for around $10 per person. Another must-do is a boat ride on the Rio de Contas, or a canoe trip through the mangroves. Prices vary between $16 and $30 per person, depending on the duration. You can also visit waterfalls like Tijuipe Waterfall, about 20 minutes from town, with entry starting at $6 and facilities including a restaurant and parking. But don't worry, in the description of the video and in the QR code on the screen, we'll leave the link to the site where we always buy our tickets and tours at the lowest price. It's the largest tour site in the world and has practically everything. Tickets for all attractions, tours, and excursions to nearby cities, all at the best price, and you can pay in any currency, saving on fees. They also offer excellent free tours. And in that same link, we organize everything you need to plan your entire trip for less. SIM card, travel insurance for half the price, tickets to all attractions, great and affordable hotels we've stayed at, cheap car rentals, and a global card to carry your money while paying fewer fees. The links already include automatic discounts, and we're always updating them. So save and use that page to make your trip easier. Rua Pituba is Itacaré's main street and the place to be at night. It's full of bars, shops, restaurants, live music, and that great beach town vibe. It's a lovely spot to walk around every evening. As for food, Itacaré has great restaurants with seafood, regional cuisine, and vegan or vegetarian options. A full meal costs between $10 and $16 per person. Top picks include Restaurante Mangarosa, Tio Gu Creperia, Cabana da Espaço Brasil, and Flor de Cacao. Don't forget to try the local acai bowls. They're a favorite here. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Our mission is to help you travel more and better around the world. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe and like. It really helps us a lot. When it comes to accommodation, the best area to stay is near Rua Pituba, close to everything, or on the urban beaches. There's one that is very affordable and super well located. It was a great stay. We spent less than expected and were just minutes from the city's main attractions. We created a personalized map showing exactly the best area to stay. We'll leave the link in the video description and in the QR code on the screen. For more comfort, there are inns and hotels with pools, sea views, and lots of charm. We'll also share the links to the places we've stayed at and recommend. And if you have more time, be sure to take a tour to Serra Grande, a rustic village with deserted beaches and spectacular viewpoints. In the video description, we'll leave the link to the site where we always buy these tours. It's a great option. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel to keep traveling more and better around the world. Thank you so much and enjoy your trip.